Just let you know inside no restroom. If you want to go restroom, you have to go first.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Visit. Yeah.
Is this for the first 4,500 people?
I guess so.
Oh.
You are one of the lucky ones.
Yes, thank
Okay,
you.
doggy, come.
Thank
Go
you.
sit. Welcome.
First item. This is the door gift that was given to, I guess, the first 4,500 people. What is it? It's a pin. So it opens and closes. I guess you can hang it anywhere pretty much. On your bag, on your clothes. And this is what it is. Cool. Next. And what I managed to buy is a baseball cap. Ta-da! So it's the SKULLPANDA Cage-Uncage exhibition baseball cap. It has a key. And the front of the cap says SKULLPANDA. Here's the back. You can, I guess this is how you adjust the length. Yeah, then lock it in. Next item. Ta-da! So this is the plush doll, Cage-Uncage. Here she is. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try to free her from her cage, which I think I gotta be careful. They're known to really tie up their dolls. Alright, that took a while, a long while, but she's free. She's free now. Okay, so this was part of her prison. She is, oops, sorry, still part of a cage on her. Let me remove that.
One eternity later.
Oh, I cut myself. I cut myself trying to open up this storage cage. Gonna use my melody band-aid. Okay, we're back. An accident later. Look what you did. Look what you did. Alright, let's look at her. Oh, another piece of her bondage. Seriously. Okay. So as I was saying just now, before I got interrupted, oh gosh. More pieces of her bondage, okay. She's really tied up. You can just feel it. You can feel it all over her. Like, okay. So, first off, let's look at her eyes. There is a pattern in her left eye. Not sure if the camera can pick it up. It's like one half of a butterfly's wings. And her coat. Ooh, look at her tummy. 2 butterflies. And her coat, 1 butterfly charm here. Her fur is white. And her ears are furry as well, light brown color. Then butterflies at the back of her head. Her coat goes quite high. So I think in this case you can't really change her clothes because it's sewn in. There are words here which is saying, is the key really needed? So at the bottom of her feet, again one of them, a butterfly wing motif. Eyes, yep, they can move. Although, oh, okay, I did it. I love it. I love how I can make their eyes so derpy. So cute. Size-wise, I had a feeling that she looks a little smaller. Let's compare her with Ratty Bear. Nope, about the same. But you can see in comparison, like, her skin color is very white compared to like the other dolls where, you know, it's more pink or more, yeah, there's more color to the other dolls that I have, the skin. But for this one, it's really like ghostly white. Then she has almost brown rosy blush and eyeshadow. So cute. I love her so much. So that's all. See you guys next time. Bye.